Went to the shop this morning, and no sooner did I pull into the parking lot, the power went out, and I think the power's out for most of the city. It's kind of crazy. Guess there's nothing better to do except bump some beats, maybe play with the Escalade, try out this new DJ Ruscals app.
Again, the whoop ass, the look of blast from the ratchet man. The madness black is in the savage land. The grab and dash and crash in your daddy's van. The band is the most heavy, it's most swaggy. Bring me up to 7 birthday, same day. You the bomb, look at the top of your band. Beat a nigga till you come and top off for your baby. Murder for your base. Move and leave it 2 is a souvenir for who's here. And if you hear it, you know the speed is.
Shout out to the bro, DJ Ruscals. Man, this app is straight fire. It's got heater after heater on it, and my Caddy's slamming. I just cannot stop going through these songs. Good shit. Yeah.
Caddy.